Rainbow Learning.
Hello kids, today we're going to learn about seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. So let's go and learn about seasons. Hi friends, today is so hot. Oof. Because this is summer. This is too hot. As you know, the summer is so hot. Hello friends. Today is so cold because this is winter. Winter is so cold. In winter, we should wear warm dresses, hats and gloves also because this is so cold. Hello friends, this is autumn. In autumn we can see falling leaves and also hot wine because this is autumn. Hi friends, this is spring. In spring we can see beautiful flowers everywhere because this is spring.
Like and subscribe for more videos.